Hi, I have this Samsung TV that is not working. This is a Samsung, I think 49-inch TV, and I will connect it now to power and we'll see what happens, but it is non-functional. So first thing is of course to unscrew all the screws and open the back cover of it. I will do it now. When opening, don't forget the 4 screws here, and also you have 1 screw here near the tuner. And other than that, all the screws around the TV, there are many of them. Before opening the back cover, you have a flat cable here, so you need to press like this and release it, and then you can open the cover. So here is the main board that I want to replace. This is the new board. I didn't open it yet. We'll open it now. I know that it is not 100% identical to this one, and I will explain, because in the new one you will see there is an additional SCART connection that I have in the new one and I don't have here. And in order to put it, I need to add a cut in the back cover of the plastic of this TV, or probably, if it will work, I will try to remove it out and then it will be identical. I don't know yet, because this is a little risky to cut the connector and I can harm the new main board. First I will check if it is working, and then we'll see if I can replace it and remove this connector. One thing to mention: the main capacitor of this TV can be charged, so you need to be cautious about it and maybe wait 20 minutes or so it will be discharged automatically, or you can check with DVM the voltage to make sure that it is just discharged, or you just can remove this connector and you're not touching the main board anymore. So this is low voltage, so you are okay to replace it. That's all. So now we'll open the new box and see what I got. So there are the 2 boards, the main board that is currently in this TV, and this is the new board. As you can see, it's a little different. The difference is the tuner is not the same like in this one. All these RCA connectors are the same. There is additional Ethernet connection that I don't have here, so I will need a second cut in the TV, so I might just do the cut if it will work. Other than that, it's look pretty the same. What is the most important when when trying to identify if the new board is okay for you is to look at the number here. So here you have many numbers, and what you search for is the BN41 and then 01955, and one line beneath you have 1955A. These are the numbers that I looked for. It is a little hard to see in this board. Okay, so you see we have BN41 and then 01955A, so it should be the same board, pretty the same. Okay, so now let's do the change. I will show it's pretty easy. There's not much to do. The most maybe problematic thing is to cut the back cover so this connector will be able to fit in. So just need to unscrew and then gently remove the flat cable and this cable and the power cable that I've already removed. So let's do it. So just unscrewing these screws. You can do it with a screwdriver and not with automatic tools. It will be better. Okay, so let's see about this connector. You just take it a little up gently, and then you can remove the flat cable easily. That's all. Here you just need to press this plastic and it's go out, and that's all. And now we'll see how this fit in to this size. Okay, so it fits. You can see that it fits in the screws and everything looks the same. And now we will put the screws. Do it very gently without applying a lot of force. If you're using this cordless screwdriver, just very gently, not fast, and I'm not pressing all the way, just till I feel that it is okay. Now we'll put back the flat cable, and we will put this connector back. Aha, I have here something that it's look, I didn't notice. I will pull it back because I see they did a fix in this board, and I'm just curious what did they do, because I didn't notice it in the beginning. Okay, whoa, so they did something here. This is related to the connector basically that I'm not using. This is a discard connection. I don't like this fix. So what I will do, I will maybe glue it with a Kapton tape, so it will not be the same like it is now. So I will put a glue here, like this. That's all. I'm not going to investigate what it is, why they did it. It doesn't matter if this TV will work. So again, putting back screws without force, just gently put it everything back. You can hear my cordless tool. I'm not applying force. It's a good thing maybe to put this screw, because this is the connection out of the TV, because I don't have all the screws. There are many other. You have additional one here and one here. This is inside the TV, less important. Okay, so again putting the flat cable all the way, and then pressing the plastic. No, not good, because it should fit in, and gently close like this. And now last thing is the power supply. Now I will apply power and see what happens. This TV didn't work. It had a standby from time to time, but this was related all to the mainboard by all the examines that I've done. So let's try to power it up, and hopefully it will be okay. Okay, so I'm beneath the TV and I can see that the LCD is working. No cable connection. So I will now try to apply HDMI and see. Now I can test it because the infrared is coming from the cables that is connected to the back cover. So I can't replace the input, so I will need to close it all back and then see if it works. Anyway, I have a problem with the back cover, so I will mark now how to cut it, and I will do a cut with a Dremel to open the parts that I need in order to close the cover correctly. Aha! No need to cut everything. I flip the cover and I see that it is just a sticker. You need to go over these places and you are good to go. I will just open what is needed and everything is perfect. This is all nice and easy. I've done the cut with a knife. That's all, sharp knife, and you are good to go. Ta-da! And this is working. As you can see, not very complicated. Anyone can do the replacement of the board. Just do it gently. You can see now that the scaling is not correct. I will fix it and then we will see the picture correctly in a second. Okay, everything is good and working perfect, and very simple to do it. Just make sure to discharge the main capacitor, make sure to remove the cable before opening the back cover so it will not tear off, and just do the basic thing and you're good to go.